Okay guys, I just finished recording Godzilla and Friends Go Camping Part 2. I looked out my grandma's window. I recorded both parts at my grandma's. And there's a dead woodpecker outside. Me and my grandma think that the falcon got it. There's a falcon that lives around here and a bunch of woodpeckers.
That or black-tip hawk.
Black-tip hawk. That too. We're gonna bury it. We're gonna bury it with that shovel. There's a huge shovel over there.
Yeah, okay. You want to do the big one?
It'll be quicker.
Let me see which one. I think the spade.
Oh, that one. There's two shovels.
Yeah, of course there is. I have a square tip, and this one I think will dig deeper.
Okay, I'm gonna get some bug spray on before I bury it. Yeah. I'll be right back, guys.
Black egg and blue.
Okay, we put the body in this plastic wrapping. We're gonna try to find a burial spot so we can bury the woodpecker.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this here.
I'll try. You can
It's got too many roots.
Now, what makes the bird's death extra sad is like birds are like my second favorite animal classification. You know, because Rio and stuff. But I mean, in case you're wondering, my favorite animal classification is fish, and my third favorite is insect. Just in case you're wondering. Okay, the ground around here is too like.
Hold on, maybe underneath here.
Where? Underneath those bricks.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe we can bury it.
I'm gonna try again, one more time.
Okay. Okay, so that idea didn't work. So what we did was we had that way, and there's a mulch area, so we buried it in there. So it worked. We didn't have to put it in the dumpster. We probably reek. That's why we buried it. And it was a woodpecker. We couldn't find any wounds on it, so the falcon didn't get it, or the hawk. The hawk didn't get it either. Yeah. So it must have died of old age. Well, rest in peace. See you guys later.